You've seen foldable laptops before, but you've never seen anything like this. This is the ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 from Lenovo that's coming out in Q1 for $34.99. So what are you getting for your money? You're getting a display that grows from 14 inches to 16.7 inches with a push of a button, giving you 50% more real estate. Let's go take our first look. So what can you do with that additional real estate? What you can see right here is that if you have long documents or web pages, you have a lot more room to work with. So it's much easier to scroll up and down, and you get a lot more information on the screen. But when it comes to multitasking, you can have two apps on top of each other. So how does it work? There's a dedicated button right on the keyboard that allows the display to extend. So I just press this, and then it starts to extend in the background. And you'll notice that it's definitely not quiet. You'll notice that there's a mechanism working in the background and it's whirring. It's rated for 20,000 opens. That's definitely less than, let's say, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and other foldable phones that are rated for 250,000 opens and closes over the lifetime of the device. But for something like this, you're not going to be opening it and closing it that many times per day. It's really more about when do you need that extra real estate and when don't you? So what about specs and what are you getting for your money here? So this has an Intel Core Ultra processor up to Core 7. You'll have 32 gigs of RAM as max, 1 terabyte of storage, so it's definitely stacked and it should be at this price. But what about the weight? One thing I noticed is that it's a little bit hefty, and I guess it should be given the fact that you're packing two displays in one device. It's about 3.7 pounds, which is a little bit heavier than the MacBook Pro, which is at 3.5 pounds. And in terms of thickness, this is about 0.78 inches. So it's not like super thick, but it's definitely thicker than, let's say, the MacBook Pro 14-inch. So it's really up to you to decide whether or not you want to carry that additional heft and weight when it comes to a rollable display laptop. This is just our first look at the ThinkBook Plus Gen 6, and I think a lot of people are going to ask, like, okay, so would you get this or a foldable laptop? I'd actually probably be more inclined to get something like this device because it is a regular laptop. You don't have to deal with like a touchscreen keyboard, and it's kind of like the best of both worlds. Instead of bringing a portable display with you, it's tucked inside the laptop that you already have. The question is whether or not that convenience is worth $3,500. This is definitely one of the coolest devices here at CES 2025, but if you want to see everything that we have here at the show, make sure to follow us on YouTube as well as all of our social channels at Tom's Guide. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonhour.